pumps. Membrane is highly non-polar because of the lipids present. These polar, hydrophilic protein molecules on either side of the membrane, and the phospholipid molecules inside, they organize into a compact structure, that is plasma membrane, and this plasma membrane is non-polar. Water that is present outside the cell or mineral salts present outside, both positively charged and negatively charged ions. All mineral salts are dissolved in water, forming ions, and all these are polar bodies. These polar molecules are not allowed through the non-polar membrane. So, for the movement of all these molecules across the membrane, there are passages inside the membrane, and these passages act as pumps. Naturally, for the functioning of a pump, energy is required in the form of ATP. ATP gets hydrolyzed to ADP and inorganic phosphate, liberating energy. This energy is used by these pumps. The pumps we may also call them permeases. And these pumps are specific for each and every element. For example, movement of hydrogen from inside to outside or from outside to inside, hydrogen pumps. For movement of potassium, potassium pumps. Similarly, for the movement of magnesium or calcium, phosphates, sulfates, nitrates, all these molecules should have the specific transporters, and those specific transporters are the specific pumps, and these pumps may transport two ions in the same direction, that is symport, or one ion is transported inside and one ion is transported outside, that is the antiport. This depends on the nature of the pumps, and these pumps are protein carriers. These protein carriers are influenced by enzymes, and for their activity ATP is required. So, movement of molecules across the membrane requires specific pumps or transporters.